Never been adjusted before, so I'm going to walk you through it, okay?
Okay.
We're going to turn you just like this. And then we're going to come into this sensitive spot right there. So I'm going to lift your head up, okay? And then just let me have all the weight of your head. Perfect.
Okay.
And I'm going to give you a little push, okay? All right, here we go. Good.
That's crazy.
Not too bad, right?
Nope.
Good. This one's a little lower, okay? So we're going to go right there. Let that head fall again. Good. Okay. What do we think of that?
That felt really good. I've never had my neck cracked.
Yeah. So take a deep breath in. We're going to give you a little pull. Good. Perfect. A little decompression there.